Hey, what's up, guys? We are here. Commission Tycoon has just released, and I am extremely excited to tell you more about what is going to be available to you. I'm going to talk about exactly what this product is, who this product is for, who this product is not for, and really what to expect when you pick up Commission Tycoon. First and foremost, it is done by a very personal friend of mine who I absolutely love and trust because he is absolutely one of my mentors that I've gone to in order for help. He is a legitimate six-figure marketer who knows beyond a shadow of a doubt the ins and outs about affiliate marketing. And he's going to go ahead and show you step by step what you can start doing in order to drive traffic. So what exactly is Commission Tycoon? Well, Commission Tycoon is a list building affiliate marketing course utilizing a very different strategy than what you're probably used to. It is going through CPA marketing, and CPA marketing essentially is a cost per acquisition. What you'll notice with CPA marketing is the commissions are not $5 or $10. Sometimes they may be, but what you're looking at more likely are $50, $100, sometimes even more. And what he has done is put together a fast, easy, and simple step-by-step marketing method for you to start seeing results almost immediately. As a matter of fact, one of his students who has been doing affiliate marketing for years has never seen a commission come in. Within the first week, she was able to bring in over $300 worth of pure profit. Okay. Now, this also includes something absolutely spectacular, the done for you lead generating system with their step-by-step training. And all of these commissions that you see on the screen are absolutely real, 100% real, from utilizing the exact method that you're going to be learning in Commission Tycoon. Not only that, but you're going to also fill your email autoresponder with tons of leads, which means that you're going to be able to not only sell on the front end high converting offers that are going to get you paid and into profit quite quickly, but you're also going to be making additional sales on the back end of your email sequences. And as you can see, it is absolutely fantastic. Now, this is a 4-part system that people are traditionally in the beginning struggling with, and they've outlined it in such an easy way that it is impossible for you to say no. Now, what they're going to provide you is with a ton of valuable tools here. Now, before I show you exactly what you're going to be getting, it is done by 3 marketers, but the main brains behind it is Crowe here in the middle. And then, of course, you have very successful marketer Anthony Mancuso, who's a 6-figure marketer, and, of course, the established Paul Nicholls as well. But as you can see here, all of these screenshots are 100% real results that people are getting. These are not faked screenshots. These are actual commissions that are occurring. And the moment you get started with this, you'll see the power that is behind this. You'll be growing your list. You'll be making tons of sales. Absolutely fantastic. As you can see here, a $596 commission. I mean, what more can you want? And the young lady I was speaking to you about earlier is Mandy. As you can see, she had an $800 profit week, and she has only failed in the past. But as soon as she went through Wayne's training, she saw that turn around like gangbusters. Okay, guys. Now, what you're going to see also, what you're going to be provided here is a really, really cool system that you don't have to spend a ton of money on traffic. You'll be getting training on free traffic. You don't have to pay for traffic until you have money to invest. this is the one of the coolest pieces about the way Wayne trains. He provides you a way to not only see profits, and then he shows you how to scale up from there. So you're moving from free traffic to start making your initial commissions, and then you're moving on to paid traffic in order to invest and grow your business even faster. Okay, so if you want to see results like this, Rong Yi, I know him personally. Him and I are friends on Facebook, and this guy has been able to make $56,000 in his first year of working with Wayne and putting in the effort and the time in order to drive his business sky high. Okay, so it's a 4-part system. Like I said, you're going to be doing the setup. Part 2 is driving traffic to the pages, the money pages. Part 3 is getting those hot leads onto your list. And then, of course, part 4 is going to be monetization. All right, there's going to be providing you a quick step guide. It's going to provide you everything that you need to set up to be successful. And then, of course, rinse and repeat. Now, this guy has gone above and beyond the call to duty. Okay, so first bonus that you're going to get is going to be 48 hours full case study and video training worth $1,900. It's a complete training to go through on how to utilize this system with free traffic. Second is that traffic is the lifeblood of any online business. No traffic, no commissions. And you're going to go ahead and get 4 traffic methods with of a video training that's going to show you exactly how to start profiting as soon as today. Then you're going to get bonus number 3, which is going to be the quickest way to $1,000 online. That is self-explanatory. And then, of course, how to get and scale up from there. Best part, 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you are not 100% satisfied, you can get your money back. But you will not absolutely do that. You will not, because you're going to start seeing profits as soon as this week. Now, in terms of what are the upsells, first and foremost, the front-end offer is going to be on a dime sell, which means with every sale that comes in, it's going to increase in price slightly until its end price over the course of the launch. So $12.95 will get you in on the front end. In my opinion, this is going to be the highest, most valuable front end you've ever picked up. Now, if you decide to pick up any of the upsells, I'll go ahead and give you a little breakdown on what I think about them and whether or not you need them. Now, OTO1 is going to be $27 all the way up to $37, depending on the day that you end up picking it up. And this is going to really give you done-for-you emails. It's going to give you videos that you can use that are already done for you, reviews and bonuses for you to share in order to get more enticement and get there quicker. Now, if you are an established affiliate marketer that just kind of needs that little extra bump to get to the next level, I don't think you would need this. But if you are brand spanking new, this is absolutely something valuable that you should highly consider picking up, because everything that is provided to you in here absolutely works. So that's upsell number 1. Upsell number 2 is going to be the Underground Traffic Mastery Academy. It's a behind the scenes of a live event that occurred in the UK. I actually was considering going to it, but it didn't match time-wise because it was Christmas time and we obviously were saving money to get there. But it was a couple of $1,000s to be there live, and they recorded everything for you. And that's going to be ranging from $147 to $197, depending on the day that you see the offer in front of you. Now, this right here is jam-packed with incredible value, because not only is he teaching kind of 101 level stuff, but he's going into advanced training that even established millionaire marketers have shown up, like Matt Basak. He came and visited Wayne in the UK. He's from the US. And this guy has been in the internet game since the day it began. And this guy is no joke. He absolutely went there and paid the full price and got incredible amounts of value from it. So for $147, even up to $197, depending on when you pick it up, it is absolutely a steal. I highly suggest that. Now, as far as OTO3 and OTO4, these are additional kind of masterminds. They are good, but they are certainly not necessary. Super Affiliate Classroom is done by Paul Nicholls. He teaches you a similar strategy on how to build assets using your blog and how to do email campaigns the right way, utilizing traditional affiliate marketing and offers from sites like Warrior Plus, because that is exactly what he does. Now, I own Super Affiliate Classroom. It is absolutely fantastic. And if you can get it in on the lower end of that cost, I would totally do so. But if you are picking up the classroom live event, the recorded live event, I don't think you necessarily need it, but it is definitely not going to hurt you. If you have the money to do so, go ahead and pick it up. And then OTO4 and OTO5. Now, I would completely skip the 5K affiliate shortcut. It's just going to be more added information that you've kind of already seen there. But OTO5, what it does is it provides you the ability to sell this entire funnel at 100% commission rate. So let's say you start promoting this particular offer to your newly built list that they teach you in Commission Tycoon. You'll make $12.95 on each front end sale. You'll make $37 or $27 on each sale of OTO1. You'll make $197 or $147 for an upsell 2, and so on and so forth. So the income potential gets as much as almost $300 plus per sale for you to simply share this with your audience in your emails. Now, as far as bonuses go, I want to talk to you about what I'm going to provide you as bonuses. First and foremost, I'm going to go ahead and provide you free group coaching for 1 hour where I go ahead and help you take care of anything you potentially would need in order to set up this program, okay? And any questions that have to deal with affiliate marketing, we'll cover it in the 1 hour call. Number 2, I have a group of affiliate marketers, brand new affiliate marketers called 30 Days to Profit on Facebook. And this is designed to help you get from $0 to profit in your first month as soon as possible. I'm going to show you how to set up everything in your affiliate business, whether it's blogs, landing pages. We're going to talk about copy on opt-in pages, and we are here to help you. So any questions you may have, you can field it in there. It's very much a group coaching, and this is beta access to what will be my monthly subscribed membership area. So get in now because this is going to be included as a bonus. And then, of course, bonus number 3 is my case study on how I was able to make $390 in under 45 seconds utilizing this very system, okay? Because I do own the system myself. I was part of the beta crew that was integral to building out Commission Tycoon. It was known under a different name, now rebranded to Commission Tycoon. And I'm going to go ahead and share with you the exact process that I went through in order to see profits within just a number of seconds, guys. So, guys, pick up Commission Tycoon utilizing the link that you see below this video. Can't wait to see you inside. If you pick up this offer, go ahead and make sure you log into your Warrior Plus account, and under the bonus section, you're going to see a link there in order to claim your commission, your bonuses. Okay, guys? I want to make sure that you guys get it. You guys want to make sure you guys get it. Make sure you follow the instructions in order to claim your bonuses. But until Next time, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and pick up a copy of Commission Tycoon by clicking the link below. Take it easy, guys.